Alright folks, good morning and welcome back to Mouteki.com. It is Friday, May 28th. Now since it is Friday, I'm not going to introduce any new setups here to be trading. What I'm going to do is just cover the CAD yen and the pound yen that we talked about in the previous days. Now you can see here on the CAD yen is that we have seen the overall movement occur, and basically we're just sitting right here waiting for the market to create its last peak up to the 161.8 for final profit taking. Now as you can see here, I've taken two entries in this market, one coming off of the retracement that we saw yesterday at 23.6 retracement, you can see here in yellow, and then on my price action in my smaller compression I was able to pull out an entry, and then what you can see is I took another entry once we broke that top of the market here, looking for progression for the overall payment. Now you can see as I've set my profit taking right there. Currently I have my stops just below the 23.6 retracement of the current movement, just for protection reasons. If this movement does not complete its payment here during the final New York trading session for the trading week, then I will take the profit that the market has given me. And moving on here, the pound yen, as I mentioned in the early analysis, a mirrored image of what we were just looking at on the CAD yen. And here you can see what we have on the 1 hour compression. Now what you can see is my buy in here. My buy came off of a retracement at this point, coming off the 100% retracement. Price action in here on a bounce gave me my entry. Let me go ahead and put towards that retracement so you can see, and there you can see the 382 retracement that occurred in this market during the opening hours of New York, the fake out, and then the immediate bounce that we had, very strong price action, and I have my entry. Now here on the pound yen, we have not made it up to that 161.8 area. We're still looking for that to occur, and what you can see is I have my limit set there and my stop set there at this moment below the current 23.6 of the movement that is currently occurring, and you can see that happening right there. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention, show you that if you have confidence in your system and you train your system well, that there's definitely profit to be made. Just a little quick visual there, you can see the three positions that I have taken, one coming here on the pound yen and the other two coming here on the CAD yen. So overall a very great week here trading wise. We had nice large movements in the market that we were able to trade using the Mouteki method of trading. So with that said folks, I just wanted to use that as a instructional material. Have a great weekend. Look forward to seeing you once again starting next trading week. Until then, take care, good luck, and happy trading.